Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to convert a PDF file to a Microsoft Word file. As you can see on my desktop, I have a file called resume. This is a PDF file. If I should click on it to open the file, you can see this is a complex file as it contains both pictures and text as well. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up Microsoft Word. Then you can drag your PDF file directly onto Microsoft Word. Once you do this, you would get a prompt or a pop-up telling you that the transformed document, as your new document, might not look exactly like the original document, but it's no problem. You just have to click OK. Comparing both of them, you can see the picture here on the transformed document is off. It's different from the original. So what you can do here is to go to Format, go to Crop, go to Crop to Circle, or for Crop to Shape, then you pick Circle. So here you can see that it has converted it back to the original. Then from here you can make changes to your text. You can see here everything is editable. You got the text under as well, and the ones on top. So you can make changes to the text as you would like to. And also on the left side here, you can see Microsoft Word separates the text into different text boxes, but it's okay. You can delete all the ones under and just use the one at the top here, and you can extend it like this and then type what you want. Also, you can open the document directly from Microsoft Word by going to File, then going to Open, then Browse, then search for wherever you have a document, and then you click on it, and then you click on Open. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a like, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this, and turn on the notification so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video.